Your competitor just closed a deal before you even called back. That's not luck. It's response time. AI cold calling is an automated system that makes the first contact with a prospect, qualifies their motivation and situation, and routes them to your team, all in under 60 seconds, 24/7. Instead of a human agent dialing a list at 10 a.m. and hoping someone picks up, AI handles the initial conversation. It asks screening questions, scores the lead's quality in real time, and either books a call with your agent or sends an automated follow-up sequence. The system doesn't replace your closing conversation. It replaces the wasteful gap between when a lead enters your pipeline and when a human talks to them. That gap, on average, is 917 minutes, 15 hours. By then, the deal is dead. AI cold calling closes that window to 60 seconds. The real estate industry has a hidden crisis. The average agent takes 917 minutes to respond to a new lead inquiry, according to Inman and Agent Zap's 2026 research. That's 15 hours. By then, the prospect has called 3 other agents, listed with a competitor, or decided to wait. The consequence is brutal. 78% of buyers work with the first responder. A 5-minute response time increases conversion by 21 times compared to a 30-minute response. This is why response time is the #1 variable in real estate lead conversion. Bigger than price, bigger than location, bigger than agent experience. The problem is manual. A human agent can only dial so many numbers in a morning. They're interrupted by clients, meetings, transactions. The inbound inquiry sits in email. By the time they get to it, the moment has passed. That's where AI cold calling enters. Instead of waiting for an agent to be available, the system answers immediately. It qualifies the prospect through a natural conversation, scores the lead, and either connects them to an agent or schedules a callback. The entire process runs 24/7 without human intervention. AI cold calling operates in 3 layers, and understanding each one shows why it works. Layer 1 is surface and contact. The system identifies a list of prospects, either inbound leads, a property list you upload, or scraped contact data, and automatically dials or sends a first message. Layer 2 is qualification. Instead of a robocall, the AI engages in a natural conversation. It asks screening questions like, "Are you thinking about selling? What's your timeline? Do you own the property free and clear?" The AI listens to responses, extracts intent signals, and scores the lead in real time. Perspective AI's 2026 research found that conversational AI qualification replaces static contact forms and increases lead-to-showing conversion by up to 50% because it captures context, not just contact data. Layer 3 is routing and automation. Once the AI scores a lead as hot, warm, or cold, it either connects the prospect directly to an available agent via a warm transfer, books a specific callback time, or cues the prospect into a follow-up sequence via SMS or email. Goliath data surfaces this entire pipeline, identifying prospects, scoring their intent signals, and routing them into your CRM, so your agents only touch warm leads. The math is simple. If a human agent spends 3 hours manually calling 60 prospects to find 5 qualified leads, the AI does the same work in 15 minutes. Leaving your agent 3 hours for closing conversations. Simply users generated $15.7 million in investor revenue through cold calling in 2026, precisely because they wove AI lead intake and routing into their daily workflow. Here are the 5 specific steps to set up AI cold calling for real estate acquisitions. Step 1. Define your prospect list. This is your sourcing layer. You need a defined universe of targets, either inbound leads from your website, a list of expired MLS listings, absentee owners in a specific zip code, or probate records from your county. The more specific your criteria, the higher your qualification rate. Upload this list into your CRM or calling platform. Goliath data can help surface these prospects automatically by filtering for motivation signals like recent tax hikes, code violations, or inherited properties. Step 2. Configure your AI agent's conversation script. This isn't a robocall, it's a dialogue. You write the opening message, the qualifying questions, the logic tree for different responses, and the closing action. A typical conversation takes 90 to 120 seconds. The AI asks, "What's your reason for considering a sale? What's your timeline? Are you open to a quick conversation?" The script should be natural, not robotic. Perspective AI's research shows that agents using conversational AI with personalized openers see 50% higher inquiry to showing conversion than those using templated messages. Step 3. Set your lead scoring rules. Not every lead is the same. A prospect who says they're selling in 2 months is hotter than one exploring options next year. You define the scoring model. Urgency gets 40 points, owner occupancy gets 20 points, motivation statement gets 30 points. The AI scores every call automatically. Leads above 70 points go straight to an agent callback. Leads between 40 and 70 get a nurture sequence. Leads below 40 get added to a long-term follow-up list. Step 4. Connect to your CRM and calendar. Your calling platform must sync with your CRM in real time. When the AI qualifies a hot lead, it creates a prospect record, logs the conversation notes, and opens an agent's calendar. If an agent is available, the AI can warm transfer the call. If not, it books a callback at the prospect's preferred time and sends the agent a notification. Simply users closed 802 deals in 2026 partly because their cold calling was directly wired into their deal pipeline. No lag, no dropped context. Step 5. Monitor and iterate. Run the system for 1 week. Track how many calls the AI completed, how many leads it qualified, what the close rate was on those leads, and where conversations broke down. If the script isn't resonating, adjust the questions. If too many hot leads are going unanswered, add more agents or extend the callback window. AI calling is not set and forget. It improves with feedback. Tranio is an international real estate broker specializing in high-value property sales. They were losing deals because inbound inquiries from their website, often from serious investors ready to move, weren't being answered fast enough. Many prospects were getting routed to email, sitting in a queue, and converting to a competitor's call by the time Tranio's team reached them. The firm implemented Dashley's AI agent team in 2026. Here's what changed. When a prospect submitted an inquiry through Tranio's website or messaged via WhatsApp or Telegram, the AI agent immediately responded with a personalized greeting and screening questions. What type of property are you searching for? What's your budget range? What's your timeline? The AI collected this context in a natural conversation, not a form. It then scored the lead based on budget size, timeline certainty, and expressed motivation. Qualified leads were routed directly into Tranio's agent calendar. Warm leads got a follow-up sequence with property recommendations. Cold leads entered a long-term nurture list. The result was immediate. Within 2 weeks, Tranio's inquiry to showing conversion rate jumped by 40%. Their average time from lead submission to agent conversation dropped from 4 hours to 8 minutes. Because the AI was handling qualification and routing 24/7, including nights and weekends when their agents weren't working, they captured serious prospects who would have otherwise gone cold. The firm went from losing deals to being the first responder, and their pipeline filled faster than their team could close. This is the real-world impact of AI cold calling. It doesn't replace closing conversations. It removes the delays that killed deals. 4 mistakes can destroy your AI cold calling results, even if the tool is working. Mistake 1, bad sourcing. You can have the world's best AI agent, but if you're calling the wrong prospects, nothing works. Calling every homeowner in a zip code wastes time. Instead, target motivated sellers, absentee owners, properties with recent tax increases, expired listings, inherited homes, or investor flips. Goliath data filters for these signals automatically. The fix is simple. Qualify your source list before you dial. Every 10% improvement in source quality cuts your calling volume in half and doubles your conversion rate. Mistake 2, overly formal or robotic scripts. If your AI sounds like a machine, prospects hang up. The script should sound like a curious human asking questions, not a checklist reader. Test your script with 5 real prospects before you automate. If it feels stiff to you, it'll feel stiff to them. Perspective AI's 2026 research shows that personalized conversational openings increase inquiry to showing conversion by 50% compared to templated scripts. Mistake 3, no integration with your CRM. If the AI qualifies a hot lead but the data sits in a separate system and your agent discovers it the next day, you've wasted the momentum. Your calling platform must sync with your CRM in real time. The AI should either warm transfer hot calls to available agents or immediately book a callback and send your agent an alert. Recently, users who wired their cold calling directly into their pipeline closed deals faster because context never dropped. Mistake 4. Ignoring follow-up sequences. A single call rarely closes. If a prospect isn't ready today, the AI should cue them for a follow-up via SMS or email on day 3, then day 7, then day 14. 82% of agents now use AI tools, but only 17% see significant impact, according to NAR's 2026 technology survey. The difference isn't the tool, it's discipline. Agents who automate follow-up see 3x more conversions than those who don't. The rule is simple. AI cold calling works when it's sourced right, scripted naturally, integrated into your workflow, and followed up relentlessly. Skip any one and your ROI collapses.